I do have a whole bunch of clothes here. It's that time again to do a spring cleaning of my closet. It was getting cluttery. Would you like to see how I organized and cleaned my closet this year? Keep on watching this video. Hi friends, my name is Delia Mireya and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I clean my closet. This is going to be a deep cleaning, getting a whole bunch of stuff out. I'm into that cleaning mood. I purchased some shoe organizers this time. I do like these better because they have a little door. I was telling my sister, because she's the one that recommended these shoe organizers to me. It's like a little door, like a microwave, I told her, where you can open it and you can just pull your shoes out instead of grabbing the whole organizers that I had purchased before from Walmart. I know they have them at Dollar Tree for 99 cents, but I think I purchased them from Walmart for like 88 cents or something like that. I saved myself a couple of cents. I'm going to be using them for something else. I'm not going to be throwing them away. I'm still going to be using them for something else. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I clean my closet. Now, the last time that I shared with you guys when I cleaned my closet, I cleaned it. It looked nice. And then I did something really bad, you guys. I put a couple of things back into my closet. I just couldn't get rid of a couple of things. Now this time I got rid of them, and I got rid of them for sure. Like, I put it in bags and they're gone. They're donated. I'm not seeing them again. They're gone. Do you want to get motivated to cleaning your closet this spring? Let's get started. To take everything out, and that really does work. I always say it's very important to take everything out whenever you're cleaning, just so that you can see what you still use, what you don't use. So I'm going to be doing that with my clothing. I won't be doing that with my husband's clothing because he was not at home. I just can't mess with his clothes. So I did that to my clothing. I did get rid of a lot of things, and I'm so glad that I did, because it's stuff that I was no longer using. A mini haul, you guys, from Marshall's. These are a couple things that I bought when I went. I bought this container. This one's for vegetables. I think I'm going to be using this for my son's grapes. I think this is a great place to store veggies or fruit. This Clinique cleanser. This is the one I use, but it's more cheaper at Marshall's. So these are the containers and a couple of things here that you can see. guys, so it's still the same day, but I straightened my hair and put this jacket on just to feel pretty today. I guess I was a bit disappointed because a lot of clothes that I own does not fit. So I think I've cleaned a lot so far. All these hangers here are shirts that I've gotten rid of, clothes that does not fit. I still need to try all of this stuff on. This time around cleaning my closet, I did say that I wanted to try everything on, and that way I'll know what fits and what doesn't. Like if it doesn't fit, if it doesn't look good and I don't feel good in it, then I'm also going to be giving that away. I do have a whole bunch of clothes here. Christmas sweaters I'm going to be storing away in those containers. I already put my organizers back inside. So on the bottom one I have blankets and winter clothes, and then this one here I have my blankets that I need quite often. I'm only keeping a few sweaters just in case it gets cold because it's still a bit chilly. I wasn't sure if I should put my sweaters up here, but I guess now that I have room I could do that instead of putting them in the bottom. Hey friends, so I just bought these shoe organizers from Amazon. So I'm going to be transferring the shoes that I have now, which are in Dollar Tree. Oh no, wait, they're Walmart. But at Walmart, they had them for 89 cents, yeah. So I bought them there instead. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I don't know, I guess the only good thing about these is that I don't have to take them out. I can just open them, and I was just telling my sister about it, that you can open them kind of like if it was a microwave. So it has the little door, and you don't have to take the whole organizers down when you want some of the shoes that are way in the bottom. I'll show you guys what I mean in a moment. I'm not too sure what I think about them. Like, I like them, but they seem a bit thin and a bit fragile, but we'll see once I get the shoes in there. These are the shoe boxes where I keep my shoes. For example, if I wanted to use these boots, I would have to take the whole thing apart or take the whole thing down. So these already have like a little door here at the front. So I'm going to be transferring my shoes right now. Let's see how that's going to look. So these are the after results. I can't believe it that they fit like perfectly. Look at this. Perfect sizing. I didn't even measure it either. I'm always open to suggestions. Please let me know in the comments, like, what else do you recommend? I know that my closet is not perfect. If there's anything that could make my closet look a bit more organized, any ideas that you guys might have, please let me know in the comments below. Like, whenever I walk into my closet, it's clean, but I still feel like it might need a couple of more things. I want to have a closet where I can walk in, everything is organized, like everything has its place. It's easy to pull in and out. I'm not too happy with the way I organized my winter clothing, but there's no other place where I can put it, so I like to put it in like the big bins, and then I just use the suction bags. That's helped me so much. It saves up more space. There's no other place for me to store my sweaters. I don't want to just leave them outside because we live in Arizona and it gets so hot. The clothes gets damaged with the heat. Like, it's happened before. Anything that you guys can think of that might help my closet look a little bit more cleaner or organized, you know, comments below. I really hope that this video motivated you guys to get your closet cleaning, to get that spring cleaning started. I really want to thank you guys and appreciate every one of you that's watching this video for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. Thank you guys so much. May God bless you all, and I will see you that you're watching this video. I know you're going to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.